5540 Grand Rapids. Looks like the wood could use a little bit of paint, but it may not need it at this time. Okay, this is a tannish taupe. Carpet looks good. 2.5-inch velvet blinds, even though they're different colors than we typically use. This is a greenish color. Cabinets are in good shape, and we already have a space saver microwave. We need blinds on this window, 2.5-inch velvet blinds. Maybe a new countertop, in which case we'd put in a new sink and a gooseneck faucet. Ugh, it's heavy. So, replace those sliders. The sliders on the sliding door. That's something that we do quite often. And this we'd have to figure out. Sometimes we can rent it as is, just so the tenant knows we will not be making any repairs. Oh, that's heavy. Okay. Tile. Then we have a storage with vinyl flooring. Okay, pretty straightforward. Pedestal sinks and a light fixture and mirror. It's really nice to have a laundry room on the second floor and its own individual room. You don't need to walk through it to get to a garage, for example. It's also nice to have raised panel doors. Upgraded light fixture. The carpet needs to be stretched in many places. Might be worth replacing the carpet. We have vinyl in here. It's about $5 a square foot to install tile, and maybe $1 or so extra to install a HardieBacker or similar type of material that you need to install on the second floors. Plantation shutters are very nice. A little bit of damage there, but you can touch that up with some paint. And you have a little balcony here. One, two. Okay, these two bedrooms need to be changed to non-locking door handles.